Welcome back to Pat Man Garage. So, I've been doing a couple things out here at night, and my like 20-year-old fluorescent light has really seen better days. And I got a new shop light I'm gonna stick up there, and I'll kind of show you the method of my madness. So the frame rails of the carport are both open C-channel facing each other. So I have some strips of wood inside there that slide, and then a 2x6 across the top to hold it all, give me something to attach to. So I can slide my light anywhere I want, which is actually really nice depending on which side of the garage I'm working on or which side of the driveway I'm working on. So I got a new light I'm going to stick up here that should be a lot better than this old turd is. So we're gonna get working on that real quick. So this is the light I picked up from Lowe's today, and it's a whatever brand, Lithonia. It's a 4-foot wet location, vapor tight. It really doesn't get all that wet under here, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. They had it on display for $89. The shelf said it was $109. So I got the registered. I made them price match it for their display price. So there's the lens is clipped on, and I guess there's some sort of gasket system underneath the lens. So I have to pop all this apart to get the new one installed. But really, before we get all this done, I need to take down that old guy, and which means I gotta disassemble that too. So we'll do that real quick. So that was really quick to disassemble that guy. Not much to it. Hopefully, same is true with the new one. Should be a quick project overall, but won't really know until we're done. Come on. So. Light. And yeah, there's a nice gasket that runs around the side of it. The lamp clips into. Looks like we turn those guys. I'm not going to bother reading instructions. Are you going to read the instructions? No, I didn't think so. It looks like those lift off, and we have access to our wiring. So this should be all we need to do, is do our white, black, and ground just like we had it, and figure out where they want us to mount to. Oh, there's some sort of bracket that clips on the outside. Well, okay. Alright, so this is where the bracket clips onto, so we need to make sure we line up with those. But other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. So I'll get the brackets out, I'll clip them in place, we'll Sharpie our marks up here so we can get it lined up, and then we'll get it installed. Well, that didn't take very long at all. So I ended up, it looks like the clips are pretty strong, and I didn't really want to clip them in place just to line them up, so I held the light up to that 2x6, and then I just made a Sharpie line where that width of that slot is up here. So I just made a line, and then I put my bracket somewhere in the middle, and then somewhere in the middle on this one. So we should be in good shape. We'll get this thing popped on and wired up. Well, that was actually really easy install, so really no big deal. I did find underneath the lens there was a piece of styrofoam, I guess, to keep that LED board from falling out internally, keep a little tension on it, maybe to keep the lens from crushing, I don't know. But make sure you remove that if you happen to buy the same light kit. And that should be it. Let's fire it up, see what happens. Let there be light. Wow. Holy smokes, that thing's bright. So that's awesome. I can actually see what's happening out here now. And I just, like I said, I just have it running off an extension cord. I know it's probably technically not building code or whatever, but you know, it's my property, so I'm doing what I want. But I just roll the extension cord up when I'm done, and I take the cord and I just lay it up here in the gutter of the carport. You never know it's not wired into the building. Super simple project, and hopefully by the time I get done editing this, is less than a 5-minute video, because it shouldn't be much more than that, because it literally took me maybe 15 minutes tops total, so including shooting all the clips. So that's it, guys. I'll check y'all on the next one.